Hi students of chemistry. If you have purchased a pouch of 1 kg sodium chloride, I mean the edible salt, table salt, then as a student of chemistry, you must know the number of molecules of sodium chloride present in this pouch. So let's start making the calculations for it. First of all, you have to suppose the material present in this pouch is purely sodium chloride, means there is no impurity, there is no foreign material. We have to consider this pouch, this salt, as purely sodium chloride. If once it is decided that this pouch contains only sodium chloride, then we can start calculating how many molecules this pouch has. Before we start calculation for the number of molecules present in this pouch of 1 kg pouch of sodium chloride, we must know two formula, two concepts. Number one, the concept of mole in chemistry, and second is Avogadro's number. Yes, first of all, we have to calculate the molecular mass of this compound sodium chloride, and we have to add the atomic masses of all the elements present in this compound. Atomic mass of sodium and then atomic mass of chlorine. We have to add these two atomic masses. Okay, if we add these two atomic masses, then finally we get the molecular mass of sodium chloride as 58. This 58 is the molecular mass of this sodium chloride. And if you know well about the concept of mole, then you should know that atomic mass or molecular mass, if expressed in gram, is called mole. It means that 1 mole of sodium chloride is equal to 58 gram. Now we come to calculate the Avogadro's number of this sodium chloride. Avogadro's number says that any mole, 1 mole of any substance, or 1 mole of any substance, atoms or molecule, it has the number of atoms or molecules equal to 6.02 into 10 power 23. This is the law, and after the name of the scientist Avogadro, and this is 6.02 into 10 power 23 is called Avogadro number. It means 1 mole of sodium chloride has how many molecules? 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules. If we compare these two equations, then we come to know that 58 grams of sodium chloride is equal to 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules of sodium chloride. And first we have to find out the 1 gram of sodium chloride equals to how many molecules, and then we have to check the 1000 gram of sodium chloride equal to how many molecules. And finally, as you know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram of sodium chloride equals to this number of molecules you can see on the screen by making the calculation for this. And finally we have come to know, we have found out the number of molecules of sodium chloride present in this 1 kg pouch you have purchased for your kitchen. By using the same formula and the procedure, you can find out the number of molecules or atoms of any substance, of any molecules, of any compounds, of any element. Thank you very much. Goodbye.